How to recover deleted Instagram photo part 1. If you accidentally delete an Instagram post, if you accidentally delete an Instagram post, you want to keep you want to keep you still have access to it for 30 days, you still have access to it for 30 days and can recover it at any time. You will need to do this from the Instagram app on iPhone, on Android device, as the web browser, Android device, as the web browser. The the version does not allow version doesn't allow you to access delete content. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. Open Instagram and tap the Instagram profile and tap the Instagram profile icon. Instagram profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Number 2. Tap the three line icon in the top right corner of the screen.